Hi, I'm Emma. I'm here with LoveCrafts and the lovely Sleep Wellness brand Eve Sleep to show you some ways to upcycle your old pillows. Let's get started. To make a dog bed, you will need a sewing machine, a pair of old jeans, pins, scissors and thread, and an old pillow. Start by laying the jeans out and lying the pillow on top. This is going to be your guide instead of having to measure anything, and it will help you work out where you need to cut to get enough fabric to make a pillowcase. Average ladies' jeans actually happen to be about the right length for its pillow, which is perfect. So we're going to make a cut, take the pillow away, and then fold the jeans in half. This way you only have to cut once and both legs will be the same length. You just need to make sure that all the folds and creases are out before you cut. And remember, this is denim, so it is going to be quite tough, but a good pair of fabric scissors will get through it with no problem. Once you cut off both legs, lie them out flat, and then on each leg draw a straight line as close to the edge as you can. Jeans are shaped to fit a human leg, and we need our pieces to be straight edge to fit a pillow. I'm using a ruler, but you can use any straight edge that you have. You can use a book if that's what you've got to hand. It doesn't matter. And then you've got to do this for both legs. Now just cut along each line, and then each leg will give you 2 pieces of fabric. While you have the scissors in hand, also cut out a back pocket, leaving roughly 2 centimetres around the edge. Now we're ready to sew. Lie the pieces of each leg with the right sides facing each other, pin in place, and then sew along one edge. When you've done this for both legs, you'll have the front and the back pieces for your pillowcase. On the right side of one of the sewn pieces, place the pocket, pin it in place, and then we're going to use a zigzag stitch to sew around the edge. This will become the front of your pillow. Now fold and pin one edge of each piece over. You'll see mine's roughly 10 centimetres, but it will depend on the jeans you have. And then lie both pieces together with the right sides facing and sew along 3 edges. Turn it the right way out, stuff with a pillow, and add your favourite doggy treats.